Welcome to our magical journey into the heart of nature, where the mountains kiss the sky and the lake mirrors the heavens. In a serene valley, nestled between towering mountains, and a tranquil lake reflects the vibrant hues of the sunset. As the sun dips below the horizon, the sky transforms into a breathtaking gradient of blue, yellow, and orange. Snow-capped peaks stand majestically, their white summits glistening in the fading light. On the branches of leafless trees stand out birds pause, watching the changing sky with quiet curiosity. The calm waters mirrors the scenery, creating a perfect image of nature's beauty and peace. High above, a few birds soar, their dark shapes contrasting against the colorful sky. The air is filled with a gentle stillness, broken only by the occasional rustle of leaves. As dusk settles, a sense of magic envelops the valley, making it feel like a scene from a dream. The beauty of this moment is a reminder of wonders that nature holds. And as night approaches, the valley whispers its age-old secrets to anyone who will listen. Remember, nature's beauty speaks to those who listen. Treasure every moment. Keep your mind clean and clear to listen nature words. Allow only good things in your mind to make world better places for all of us. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like and share to make world better.